Good afternoon students, welcome to class 9 biology class, and last video you have learned the simple sugars. Okay, today going to start the compound sugars or the disaccharides. Simple sugar means monosaccharide, the one molecule of carbohydrate present, then it is called so simple sugar. Compound sugar means disaccharide. Disaccharide actually the two molecules of simple sugar combined together and to form a compound sugar. Okay, when the two molecules of simple sugar combine together with the removal of one molecule of water and disaccharide are formed. The removal of one molecule of water and the chemical different types of compound sugars given in your book one by one. First one, sucrose. Okay, sucrose is the disaccharide or the compound sugar, and it is used or home commercially it is produced from the sugar cane and sugar beet. Actually, it is used in our home commercially it is produced. Where it is produced? It is produced from where? It is produced from sugar cane and sugar beet. It is made by combination of glucose and fructose. This one very much important with the combination. The sucrose is the glucose plus fructose This is the sucrose. Okay, and number 2, maltose is the malt sugar made from the two glucose molecules. Maltose are the combined the two glucose molecules. It is found all the sprouted and the melted products. The for melted product two glucose of molecules means glucose plus glucose. This is the maltose. Sucrose, glucose plus fructose, maltose, glucose. Number 3, I am using and very easy these chapters. And number 3, lactose. Lactose are the milk sugar. It is made up of glucose and galactose. It is the milk sugar. The lactose is milk sugar. It is the glucose and galactose. Glucose plus galactose. Okay, so the sugar, sucrose, maltose and lactose. The 3 disaccharides given in your book, and the what is combination is important. We count the glucose is made up of glucose, lactose. This combination this is the glucose plus galactose. This is the lactose. Okay, sucrose, lactose and maltose. And number 3 is the compound sugar. The sugars completed. Now the carbohydrate again the 3 types. This is cellulose, starch and sugars. I have already discussed is cellulose, starch and sugar. Next one is the not compound sugar. This one actually the carbohydrate. Sugars are the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate the 3 cellulose, starch and sugars. Sugars is made up of simple sugar divided into simple sugar and compound sugars. I discussed next one, starch. Starch actually polysaccharide. Starch not disaccharide. Polysaccharide means the more than 2. It is the complex carbohydrate polymer of glucose. This is called the starch. Starch actually the polysaccharides. The chemical formula the starch given in the book, you see it is the storage form of carbohydrate in plant. It is primary source of energy in the diet. Actually the starch is the storage form of carbohydrate in plant. The storage form. The glucose molecule oxidized and the remain portion glucose transform into starch and the store the starch in the plant body. Okay, and it is found in the grain, seed, root, potatoes, and starch is the insoluble in water. Starch actually insoluble insoluble in water. Starch, polysaccharides, insoluble in water. Okay, starch is broken down and into the simple sugar during the digestion. Starch actually the starch is the broken down and to form the simple sugar after digestion. The starch is the polymer of glucose. It is actually the polysaccharide and it is insoluble in water. After digestion, simple products are formed. Means glucose are formed. This glucose are the soluble in water. And third one, the cellulose. Cellulose. What is cellulose? Cellulose also insoluble complex carbohydrate. It is made up of many molecules of simple sugar. It is made up of many molecules of simple sugar. And the cellulose actually it is found in the cell wall. Where it is found? The cell wall in the plant. The cell wall present the main component is the cellulose. Cellulose actually is not digested in the human body. It's not digested in the human body because there is no cellulose digesting enzymes. Actually, no cellulose digesting enzyme present in our body. Cellulose is not digested. For the different microorganisms present, those who eat the cellulose for the digestion. Okay, this is the cellulose. Cellulose, the third one, it is present in the cell wall. Cell wall in plant. Cell wall, it is not digested in human body because the cellulose enzyme is not present. The fiber act as roughage. What is roughage? I will discuss later. The carbohydrates molecules is made up of 3 cellulose, starch and sugar. Sugar is again divided into 2 types: simple sugar and compound sugar. Okay, simple sugar, compound sugar. The different sugars I have discussed. Also the compound sugar. Compound sugar means the disaccharides. This is the compound sugar. Okay, 2 molecules of the carbohydrate combines together and to form a disaccharide. Starch is the polysaccharide and this is the insoluble in water. And cellulose is present in cell wall in the plant. Also the cellulose in the human body, cellulose is not digested in the human body because there no cellulose enzyme is not present in our body. The cellulose, your carbohydrate completed. Okay, next video I will discuss the protein and fat. Okay, I hope it is clear.